Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I've got a really cool organization type video for today. Now, it's all about planners. I found this amazing planner company called Personal Planner, and if you've ever had issues like me that you can't find the right planner that fits your needs, this is probably going to be like a lifesaver for you. I'm not getting paid for this video at all, so don't think of it anything like that. I'm literally just trying to share this amazing cool thing that I found. Now, this is the planner here. The best thing about it is that this is actually my own art. So this is a photography photo that I took. This was from my outside of my window. I took this photo and I was able to make it the freaking cover. How cool is that? And also the back. I made my little pooch, yeah, for my dog on there. So anyways, the really cool part of it is that if you don't have a photo that you really like, there's a really cool artist that do illustrations for them. So there's amazing covers that you can choose from in the website that look like any other beautiful planners that you would see at any kind of like Barnes & Nobles or Indigo Chapters, any kind of store like that. Now, the best part about this company is that, now this is always the issue that I've had. I am a little bit of a specific neat freak when it comes to planners, that I like it to be these horizontal strips. A lot of the personal planners I've been finding nowadays have been either cubes of days, you know, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday kind of thing, or they have been like this way. Now, this company literally has all the options, so whichever way you like it, you can put it that way. So you can really customize it and make it your own. That's kind of the issue that I find sometimes, that you go and you're looking for a personal planner and then the cover is really cute, but then you open it inside and you're like, oh my god, that is just not cute. Now, you also get to choose the way that the pages look inside. You get to pick what kind of like small information. On mine, I put today's workout, so if I'm doing an exercise, I can write down what kind of exercise I did, so I can keep track. And what I was actually planning to do is to actually have the workout planned ahead of time, so I can open it up, okay, be like, okay, so today I have to do this. I also put down a little area for the weather. Some people might not need this, but I find that I'm the kind of person that gets my mood gets affected a lot by the weather. So this has a little option of like sun, clouds, rains, and flurries with the temperature, and then you can input what it is, and then you can always go back, be like, well, I was kind of feeling like crap that day. Oh shit, it was raining, that's probably why. So I just like to track my mood like that. And then at the bottom, you can also select even more things. I selected to do this week, and another little checklist. They have so many other things that you can do. They have appointment times, tests times, everything like that. I chose just a little lined area with a mini calendar of the whole month. So if you're in a page and you're like trying to figure out what next week would be, just so you don't have to flip the page, you can look at the bottom. And then there's also a little blank one for notes. The best thing about this planner that I find is that it comes with a freaking page separator or divider or whatever you want to call it. It's also a little ruler, it has measurements on the side, but this is my favorite part because what I've always done is folded the corner of my freaking planner, and you end up getting like a planner that ends up getting really like chubby, right, because the paper's all folded up. So this is a really cool way that you can organize that, and of course it comes with stickers, and then you can put cute little stickers on all your dates. But the best part of it all is that you get to choose miscellaneous pages at the end. Now, you can choose that for it to be lined paper, grid paper, dotted paper. There's so many options. The one thing that I chose to do is an overview, so it has an overview of every day. I thought this would be good since I'm going to be going back to school in January. I could, once I get all my test dates, I'm just going to input them here, so I have an overview of everything that's going on. So each little, so it's like January, February, March. So this is for 2019. And then I also put in telephone and address list. You don't have to have this on yours if you don't think it's important, because I know a lot of people do use their phones, but I just think that if I'm making contacts at school with like professors and stuff like that, I don't really want to have their number on my phone. I'd rather just have it on a piece of paper. So this is where I kind of want to have like all of my school contacts. And then this was my favorite part. Now, because I'm going to be studying art, I wanted to have a lot of lined or blank papers. So I chose to have about, I think, 8, like you can actually choose how many, that's how cool it is. So I chose to have 8 blank pages and then 8 like coloring pages. So I just thought it'd be fun, like if you're bored or whatever, you can have like cute little coloring pages in the back. So yeah, this is definitely going to be handy for me. The one that I got personally starts in December, and it'll just go for a year from there. So I am super excited to start using this for school. I was actually able to snag a 10% off code for you guys if you did want to check them out. I have all of their information down below with a 10% off discount code if you want to try them out. It's $39.99 for personal planner, but they have so many other things. They have a smaller personal planner if you were looking to have a little bit of a cheaper option as well, but they do also have a larger personal planner if you're like somebody that likes a big personal planner, which personally I was between that one and this one, but this is actually the perfect size for my purse. So this is actually the ideal size for me. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Please let me know down below if you used it and what pictures you used, because I think that being able to use your own like photo for the cover is the coolest thing. Like, I still can't get over that this is my photo and it's like on my planner. Like, this is my favorite photo that I've ever probably taken. I use it as my background a lot. It's just love the sunset, but I just love that it's in my planner and now I can use it. So yeah, I was gonna get it to start in September to be 2018-19, but because I started school in January, I wanted the book to start in January just to have everything lined up and perfect. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it really helpful, and I hope you guys check them out. Let me know down below if you do and what photos you use. They have really beautiful hand-drawn photos and illustrations as well, if you don't have any of your own photos you would like to use on there. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!